I'm an assistant professor at Stanford University in the Center for Computer Research in Music and Acoustics. For me, it was the dream job. I love to research how people make use of technology in terms of creating music, listening to music, and sharing music to basically unlock creativity in everyone. When I first started teaching, starting a company was certainly nowhere on the radar. And then the iPhone and the iPhone SDK came along. It was kind of the clincher for me to say, you know what, I want to bring visions of computer music research to the masses. So now I'm a co-founder and the chief creative officer at Smule. As soon as we got our hands on the iPhone SDK, immediately the wheels started turning in our heads of saying, how can we use the whole ecosystem of the iPhone platform to provide an experience that just wasn't possible before? We know we wanted to explore this idea of interactive expressive audio, and our most popular app to date is Ocarina. It transforms the iPhone into a magical flute-like instrument. We used multi-touch to provide the different fingerings to control pitch, and the accelerometer in the iPhone was then mapped to vibrato. And then we used OpenGL to animate the finger holes. A number of things in the iPhone SDK changed the way we thought about building software. One of those, for example, is core location. We use location to geotag people who have recently played the Ocarina. We can actually send that anonymously to the Smule cloud, as it were. And it's the first instrument that we know of in history that allows its players to hear one another from around the world. And so far, our users have listened to each other in over 40 million performances. We're diving much more deeply now on the social component. In Leaf Trombone World Stage, our new app, not only can you play the instrument and others can indeed hear you around the world, the app will gather judges to give you feedback and to give you a score. We believe this is just the beginning of a new revolution where people will relate to each other differently and people will express themselves differently, all facilitated by what we can do on this device. It never ceases to amaze me that our team is such a small group of people, and yet through the iPhone platform, the SDK, and the App Store, we have apps that are literally all around the world now, in the hands of hundreds of thousands of people. To tell the truth, we didn't really know what we were going to do fully. And to this day, I would say there's a large component of not knowing. Not knowing makes it really exciting for us. That is the very essence of what we call being Smulean. I'm Go Wong of Smule, creator of Ocarina.